down so many years. I wish that I can rewind.
What is up, my kings and queens? I said it funny because I was really hoping that she was just gonna mock me and be like over my voice, but it didn't happen that way. So anyway, I am back at home. I has Hannah, obviously. There's a Hannah. And I'm just gonna show her around. We're waiting for Grant, actually. We're supposed to go to, he recognizes a spot. I don't know how to describe the spot. Yeah, there's a lot of gas in here. I don't know how to describe the spot, but you guys will recognize the spot when we get there. But we're supposed to be waiting for him to go there, but he's in UMD right now. So we're gonna go to Savage, and she wants to take some nature pictures and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go hang out there. Hopefully there aren't a bunch of like druggies and shit. Don't want to run into crackheads. It's too early in the day for crackheads though, so we're fine. But yeah, that is the plan. And yeah, should be a good day. So how's a Hannah? Let's go take some pictures. So this one wanted to get Starbucks, and the closest Starbucks I knew was at the mall. I'm being stalked, and this picture's going, wait! You know how people stalk you for your parking spot? She going, wait. So, and then we got Jones Soda, and she wanted to introduce me to Jones Soda, so she got a bunch of them.
I got green apple.
They look kind of cool.
There's 2 green apples. We got a bubblegum soda, blue. The berry soda. And then they have a new one. It's the no sugar, no calorie one. This is definitely new. This is their black cherry flavor.
So we'll see how these are. But now we're going to Savage, and now we're going to go take pictures. And, oh, now you want to move?
Yeah.
Get out of my way. Now I can't get out because now you want to sit there. So this should be interesting. Remember the rules, guys. Remember the rules. No nudity, and you're not allowed to bathe in the filthy river, okay? Because people don't follow that rule, and people don't follow that rule or that rule or that rule. And yeah, babe, I'm sorry. You can't get naked. I'm sorry.
God darn it. I wanted to do that earlier.
I'm sorry. I apologize. She goes, taking her pictures. We were gonna go the other way, but there's like everyone here. It's like, what's wrong with your camera?
Oh, it's on a timer.
Why is it on a timer?
I remember. Oh, hello.
Okay,
Timer.
that was weird. I thought a bomb was about to go off.
Stop it.
But anyway, oh, there are no raspberries. Shit, it's too early for them. Damn it. Anyway, we were gonna go that way, but that didn't happen because there's a whole party, and it looks like someone brought their whole family ×4 over there.
For a birthday party.
For a big ass birthday party. It literally looks like there are like 400 people over there. So we were like, no. So we're gonna go see if we can get to the spot from here. And I don't know. What is it? Car. You can't. Car. You cannot come down this. What is you doing, car? What is you doing? What is you doing? Should probably stop walking down backwards. Randomly finds path. Randomly follows path. Yo, all these little kids are running down here. Like, I tried to avoid them, and now they're walking towards us.
What's in this area?
She wants to get close to the water. Nature shots be like. And how in depth she gets her pictures. There, scope the picture, capture the frame. Wiping sweat off to capture the perfect picture. It's a Hannah in her natural habitat. Oh my god, my camera can zoom way too far in.
I saw feet.
Its head is definitely like a lizard.
Well, that's where Hannah's phobia stops. If that's a snake, we're out.
I can't actually tell.
I think it was a lizard, but at the same time, he freaked me out. So let's go.
Whoever built this bridge, I appreciate them very much. It's kind of cool. I don't know how they got all these to like stick together like this or what the hell this is, but it works. Looks like it's 3 separate logs or something. I don't know, but it works. I like it. Is this what I think it is?
Oh, what?
Oh, it is!
What?
Milkweed. Monarch butterflies. It's everywhere. It's the stuff that the caterpillars eat. It's the plant that the caterpillars eat. So they've been cutting it down around here a lot, but it's good to see that there's this is the right milkweed, right? Yeah, the fuzzy leaves. Milkweed. Look at the professional photographer at work. See, look at them angles. Gotta get them angles. You gotta get them low, them high, them angled shots. Professional photographer right here.
No, I am not.
Let her know if you need any work done. She got you.
You're the best. Come on.
So I've learned that this camera actually takes really good frickin' pictures too, which it doesn't surprise me. This is still the camera that this one got me. Love this fucking thing, but I've never taken a photo with this camera until just now, and oh my, it is gorgeous. So, I'll tell you guys when, but I am gonna put in all of my nature shots into one little compilation at the end, towards the end of this video. So, yeah. That should be fun. Professional photographer. Butterfly. Butterfly! And we're walking. And we're walking. That's a thorn bush. Don't want to walk into that. And we're walking.
Just my feet.
Can't kill the professional photographer now. That would suck. Then we would be down one professional photographer. We're walking and we're walking. And we are coming upon this fallen tree. Move that out the way. Move this out the way for the professional. Here you go, professional.
You're so cute. Thank you.
Yep. Don't let the branch hit you on the way out.
Oh God.
Ha 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 ha. So Grant never responded, or never came. He's still at UMD, doing whatever. He's living his life. It's cool, whatever. I'll see him another day. And we're going out again later, but I can't really film it because we're going to Sky Zone. I can't really film that. So, yeah, they don't like cameras in there. I couldn't even wear my GoPro, but anyway. So that's the end of the vlog for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't know how often it's going to happen, but I'm going to try. Plus, Lucy and I are going to try to do something again. Last year was Treehouse. This year, we're going to try to do something. So, we'll see what happens. But yeah. 'Tis the plan. 'Tis the plan. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, live life to the fullest, spread positivity, and I will talk to you guys later.